How to sign and upload documents in Tantoo. Ready to officialize your new business venture? Here's how to endorse the official documents. For starters, open your mailbox and view your new task delegated to you. In the email, click on the link which will take you to Tantoo. Sign in or register for a new account if you are a new shareholder. For new shareholders, you will receive an invitation to activate your account via email. Once you've registered and signed in, you can view all the documents that require your details and signatures. Click View and Sign with Right Signature to review the documents. The red arrows indicate the sections that require your action. You can sign by drawing your signature or typing your name. And click Submit after you've completed all the fields. Repeat these for the remaining documents. Upload all documents under the Proof of ID section. Do note that for a picture holding an ID card, this is how it should look like. Next, fill up the client acceptance form and click Submit. You may edit the form if necessary before you review and sign the document. Once all the forms are completed, click Complete Task. And that's how you view and sign documents in Tantoo.